So I just installed this back, and this is how you can check your bike. So obviously you remove everything, and then you can just feel this. Like when I first loosened up the back here, I could feel it go kink, kink, kink. It's gonna have the needle bearings with the less grease. They would create that's what those notch wear marks are from. If you look at the photo where you see little wear marks into the center bearing spacer. So now re-greased and all redone, super smooth, guys. And that's the key. You don't want, you're not going to notice it when you're riding your bike, but in reality it's affecting your travel and your smoothness and everything. So very important to not overlook. See, and especially in your dirt bike, people never do these bearings in their dirt bikes. So if you go buy any used dirt bike, it's going to be, the bearings are a mess. This thing's going to be practically seized. Of course, you won't know it unless you look and inspect it and figure out the wear and the maintenance of the previous owner. So, because these bearings are going through water all the time on your dirt bike. Anyways, guys, that's your input here.